Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's video, we'll be traveling north through Greene County, Alabama on US Highway 11 concurrent with US 43. We're in between cities here, and we'll just be passing through a couple of very small communities. I-20 and 59 are nearby throughout this video, and we'll cross to the northwest side of the interstate about halfway through. At the junction of US 11 and 43 and I-20 and 59 is the unincorporated community of Knoxville. The community had a post office until 2009, and today seems to be centered around a couple of bingo halls and a casino. We enter Tuscaloosa County with a population of 227,036 as of the 2020 census. In 1817, Alabama became a territory, and Tuscaloosa County was established in 1818. Tuscaloosa County boasts a cost of living that is 12% lower than the national average. As of May 2021, the average value of housing in the area was $182,303. In the past year, the Tuscaloosa County Economic Development Authority has reported a remarkable 31.2% surge in housing sales. Situated in the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains, Tuscaloosa provides 177 miles of shoreline along its waterways, offering ample opportunities for recreational activities. The Black Warrior River runs through the county, which is part of Alabama's vast network of more than 1,300 miles of navigable waterways, the most extensive inland waterway system in the United States. The county has 35 parks spanning almost 2,000 acres, including outdoor recreation areas such as Lake Tuscaloosa, which encompasses 5,000 acres, Hurricane Creek and Lake Lurleen in Lake Lurleen State Park, which spans 250 acres. The University of Alabama Arboretum showcases the native flora and fauna of Tuscaloosa. The county has numerous historical museums, such as the Alabama Museum of Natural History, the Mildred Westervelt Warner Transportation Museum, and the Paul W. Bryant Museum, which celebrates the athletics history of the University of Alabama. Additionally, the Children's Hands-On Museum provides a glimpse into the history of Tuscaloosa County. The county is also home to Tier 1 research university, the University of Alabama, Shelton State Community College, and Stillman College, a private liberal arts school that was founded in 1876 as a historically black college. As of the spring of 2021, these three institutions collectively enrolled 43,681 students. We enter the unincorporated community of Fosters, named in honor of the family of James Foster, who settled in the area in 1818. Fosters has an operating post office with the zip code 35463. We conclude today's video at mile 68. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for just $1 a month, you too can help support our channel. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.